By now, everybody should have an idea that I'm a big fan of Cutlash. Now, Cutlash, especially the Shiaka range, I like them because of the bottles. Of course, the juice inside is awesome, but I just love the bottles, and they just look just very, very nice with your collection. So the next one that I want to introduce to you is Shiaka Red or Silver by then, and it's a beautiful bottle. You'll see it in the opening. It's stunning, and I just love these bottles. They are just so manly. I just like them so much. The juice inside, it's got a soft opening. Been testing it also for a couple of days. As soon as I got this one, I sprayed it everywhere. Normally, when I order online, the day when I know the day that doesn't come, or the day that it comes, then I don't spray any fragrance on in the mornings, and then I wait for my shipment to come, and then I just start spraying and testing. But this one, I tested it. I was a bit surprised with this one because it's not as intense, strong in the beginning that hits your nose. It's like, wow, that's great. No, it's not this one. This one is a soft start smell, a soft smell, but it's an expensive smell. So it's a dry down type of fragrance, which means in the beginning, the rosemary, the petitgrain, the pepper, it's a fresh, spicy opening, but it's not as intense in your nose as some other fragrances that you get. But this one just smells nice in the beginning. Like I said, it smells like an expensive niche fragrance, and it's a beautiful fragrance. And the middle notes gives you a nice unisex note to it with a jasmine, neroli, orris root, which is a nice, delicate floral heart. And the florals just come so nicely through to it in the middle notes. And then, of course, the ones that gives you nice depth and longevity is the cedar, the vetiver, and the patchouli. Now, those guys is the main characters in longevity in a fragrance, and of course your projection in your fragrance. It's got a nice spray to it, and the fragrance smells just so lovely. Now the OG on this is your Amouage Reflection Man. I'll put a picture up for it as well. But guys, it's a beautiful smell. It's a nice price that you pay for a fantastic bottle of juice. Everything comes so nice together. On your skin, it's amazing fragrance. I will give this out of 10 a nice 7 out of 10, just because it doesn't hit you so hard in the beginning, and it lasts very long. And as it dries down and as the day goes on, you will get a longevity of about 6 hours. But that's why I'm giving it the 7 out of 10, because this will last a nice whole day, and the longevity is great, and the smell is awesome. So yeah, got some great compliments on it. You will not be disappointed.